Hi friends, let me show you this Wi-Fi security camera that I received for reviewing purposes, okay? It comes with the operation manual, guide to put the screws, like a template for the screws, okay? Some other information. Perfect, as you can see, it has two antennas to get a perfect Wi-Fi signal. You will mount it with this base so you can put it wherever you need it. And this is the electricity, the energy source, okay? You plug it and this goes here, okay? Perfect. You get some screws to mount the camera and the energy cable. So we are going to install it. Of course, you will control everything with an app in your phone, and you can put a SD card here, micro SD card here, so you record whatever the camera is filming. And it has motion detector, a bright light. So let's try it. Let's see how it works.